Lecture: The Pros and Cons of Taking Pictures While Traveling. Hello, everyone! Today, we are going to talk about taking pictures while traveling. Taking pictures is something many people do when they visit new places. It can be fun, but there are also some good and bad things about it. Let's talk about the pros and cons of taking pictures when we travel. What are pictures? First, let's talk about what pictures are. Pictures are images that we take with a camera or a phone. When we travel, we often take pictures of beautiful places, interesting things, and special moments. Pictures help us remember our trip and share our experiences with others. Now, let's talk about the pros, the good things, of taking pictures while traveling. One of the best things about taking pictures is that they help us remember our trip. We can look at the pictures and remember the places we visited, the people we met, and the things we did. Pictures help keep our memories alive. When we take pictures, we can share them with our friends and family. This way, they can see where we went and what we saw. It's a great way to tell stories about our travels. Pictures can capture beautiful moments that we might forget later. For example, a sunset at the beach, a delicious meal, or a happy moment with friends. These pictures can make us feel happy when we look at them later. Taking pictures can also help us learn about photography. We learn how to use a camera, find good angles, and capture the right light. This can be a fun hobby to have. Now, let's talk about the cons, the bad things, of taking pictures while traveling. When we are always taking pictures, we might forget to enjoy the moment. We might be too busy with the camera and not see the beautiful place with our own eyes. Sometimes, it's better to put the camera down and just enjoy the experience. Taking pictures means we need to carry extra equipment, like a camera or a phone. If we want to take really good pictures, we might need a big camera, which can be heavy and hard to carry. There is also a risk of losing or breaking our camera or phone. If we are not careful, we might drop it or leave it somewhere. This can be stressful and expensive to fix. Sometimes, taking pictures can disturb other people. For example, if we use a flash in a museum or take too many pictures in a quiet place, it might bother others who are trying to enjoy the place. In conclusion, taking pictures while traveling has both pros and cons. Pictures can help us remember our trip, share our experiences with friends and family, and capture beautiful moments. But they can also stop us from enjoying the moment, make us carry extra things, risk losing our equipment, and sometimes disturb others. It is important to find a balance. We can take some pictures to remember our trip, but we should also take time to enjoy the experience without the camera. That way, we can have the best of both worlds. Thank you for listening. Does anyone have any questions or thoughts about